Huh. Oh, is it Christmas? Come here, Steam. Does that smell good? Did you have a good day? Did you have a good day? What's in there, Tex? Let's take a look. Looks like Christmas theme. What did we get? A bag of coal? What else? Adorable. Look at that. Which one has the good catnip? Oh, and then these. You like these, Tex. Steam didn't eat them. And a chimney. Okay. What is that, Steam? Oh my gosh, that's so exciting. Is that good catnip? Is that good catnip? No, you guys are just excited I'm home. Here, Tex. I think this one is like the really good catnip, Steam. There's always one toy that has like next level catnip. And they just go nuts. I think it's gonna be this one. Hi, buddy. Is that good? Yeah, that's the one. You're so happy I'm home. You okay, Steam? Thinking about life? And the pursuit of catnip?